How to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to make sure that your both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. Simply swipe down from the top right corner from the control center and confirm you have turned on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. After that, enable the AirDrop. Simply tap and hold. From here, choose for the option everyone for 10 minutes. After that, from the another phone, you'll be able to connect that iPhone for the AirDrop. If you not find it on the another iPhone, repeat the same process. AirDrop must be enabled on both devices. If you are still facing that problem, you can simply restart your iPhone. Simply for that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. From general, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, tap on sort down. After you sort down and restart your iPhone, your problem should be fixed. At last, you can simply reset your network settings. For that, from the general section, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on reset. And from here, tap on reset network settings. From here, enter your iPhone passcode. After that, simply tap on reset network settings. After you reset all of the networks of your iPhone, this will refresh Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After that, your AirDrop problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.